Morning, crew. Tonight we're going to draw one of Sinnoh's latest discoveries. Tonight we're going to draw Rhyperior. Rhyperior has been one of my recent favorites. And basically I didn't know that its pre-evolved form RHYDON had a second form. Well, I didn't even know Rhyhorn, its other form, had 3 transformations. The reason why Rhyperior has an evolved form, well, why RHYDON has an evolved form, is for the reason that the creators of Pokemon wanted to give RHYDON an upgrade. Well, since RHYDON has 2 forms, they decided to give RHYDON a new form, but it can only be activated by link trading. And to be honest, link trading wasn't really my type of thing back then, because it was really hard to get. So here's Rhyperior's build. There we are. Now we just draw his feet. There we go. There's Rhyperior's body. Now one last thing to draw, and that's his tail. We'll just move my Pokédex up. Not too high, not too low. Just to the right spot. Alright, just a little higher, lower, almost there, and there it is. There's Rhyperior's tail. There we go. That is how you draw Rhyperior. RHYDON's evolved form.